So here is the Kenwood KA-5700, completely refurbished, completely restored. I resprayed the cover, I put new screws, and I provide the Allen wrench to remove them. This amplifier is in beautiful condition. I completely restored it, cleaned it, and replaced many components. Here are all the capacitors, all the electrolytics which I replaced. The output transistors are replaced by modern types that you can see down there. Basically TO3P instead of these old-fashioned transistors. This resulted in an increase of power. I replaced the 6800 microfarad with 10,000 microfarads capacitors for the power supply, and I also replaced the old individual diodes for the rectifier bridge. They looked pretty small. I replaced them with a good size bridge, packaged bridge right here. All the components, all the electrolytic capacitors that are replaced are marked in red. In some cases I replaced them by WIMA film capacitors that you can see in orange down there, and in the phono preamp also. I replaced the light bulb with an LED type. Here is the manual that comes with it. The Allen wrench to remove the lid, the cover, a replacement LED bulb, the old light bulb which is actually not blown up, it's working, and some fuse replacements. So this is a test of maximum power. We're at 1 kilohertz into an 8 ohm load. So the yellow curve is of course the input, and the output is channel 2. So the maximum RMS before clipping is 22 volt, 23 volt RMS. So this is a 12 watt test to determine the bandwidth. So we're 12 watt on an 8 ohm load, and that gives us about 10 volts RMS on the output. So we're at 20 hertz. Now we're at 100 hertz. I'm going to change the scale. Okay, 200 hertz. 1 kilohertz. 10 kilohertz. 21 kilohertz, and I'm going to change the scale. Okay, 28 kilohertz, and at about 30 kilohertz we're starting falling out. So the frequency range is pretty much flat to 30 kilohertz. Back 30 kilohertz, 10 kilohertz. So about 30 kilohertz, 20 hertz to 30 kilohertz flat.